Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's start with today's top health news. Private hospitals in Kolkata are set to join the protest today over the RG Kar rape and murder case. The protest over the rape and murder case at RG Kar Medical College is extending to private hospitals across the city. Doctors at both government and private hospitals have been urged to boycott OPD services and non-emergency duties from 8 am to 4 pm on Wednesday. The call was made by the joint platform of doctors, which includes various doctor associations like the Indian Medical Associations, Bengal Chapter and West Bengal Doctors Forum. We saw how the RG Kar Hospital administration started demolishing structures in the chest medicine department in the name of renovation. The High Court took away the investigation from Kolkata police and handed it to the CBI hours after the demolition started, said Kaushik Chakki, a member of the JPD. This raises suspicion about the intent of the state government, whether they are planning to tamper with the evidence. That is why we have issued this call to doctors at private and government hospitals to not join OPD and perform non-emergency services between 8 am and 4 pm on Wednesday, said Chakki, who is also the president of the West Bengal Doctors Forum. A rally is planned along EM bypass with doctors from various hospitals participating. Many doctors have indicated their intentions to join the rally. If the JPD proceeds with this plan, it could disrupt services at private hospitals on Wednesday. Since the rape and murder on Friday, junior doctors at government medical colleges in this city and across the state have been on strike. In response, several senior doctors at private hospitals, including neurologists, oncologists and gynecologists, have announced they will abstain from outpatient departments to protest and show solidarity with the victim's family. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.